fly none of
And if you not fly on the bus, on a COVID dancer.
COVID internet pussy.
So what you say on a COVID and internet dancer?
Internet dancer.
You want to figure sit down on a COVID dancer. What do you know about blood clot boss? When artists sing on the name in a song, you don't have to run with it. If you're not a dancer and an artist, anybody recognize me, I recognize them back. If an artist a diamond, the artist them I work with. If the next one I work with, I work with you. For me a dancer thing, no artist never pay me bumbuckler because I hear yet. So where you get that from? You know some COVID blood clot dancer. What do you know about dancing pussy? Pussy member me sit up and map for this. What do you know about dancing? From back then till blood clot now, I mean my name now come out for the market. Me don't want to know the COVID internet sensation dancer. Come on the dancing argument. Because you don't know nothing about the blood clot culture. I'm see one little fuck up boy over China man. You little fuck up boy over China man life. You shit up underpants pussy wall. Cause the one I know, you know. You see on the young little boy place, what I want up on the waistline, man I'll shift on the underpants, you know. And I fuck out on the battery route, you know. More want to rampage me. And China man I want to find 11 talk about you will keep on China man, batty boy China man. You know we. You know nothing about nobody as a pussy. China man. No man that me not like nobody boy dancer wine better than me. Any boy wine better than me, man. I fuck on lean on a brace. Your boss, you're not boss pussy. Anybody you're not boss if I not cross the waters pussy, all your boss. You not COVID bumbo clot dancer, COVID dancer, internet dancer. Pussy, you nobody China man, nobody can book you. I said they go book you, come and fire if you do it. Figure what they gonna book you, figure so. In front of man, no man no want see no man a dance. Go on chocolate factory, go suck your mama. Rampid me. I like that boy a long time, you know. Somebody could eat that boy upon you, but I talk like a girl.
What you mean?
What you mean? A long time in this artist I call my name. What you mean? Anytime artists calling him that song, I rate them bumbo clan rate you. No artists are supposed to pay the dancer to call their name.
If you give children and two children and he didn't tell me if
listen, if an artist don't call full name, how we go recognize? Just like, listen up, dancer do things for artists and artists do things for dancer. Because for your car with name, I don't want to say we have to endorse you. Because you're the endorse me. So endorse. What you mean? What you mean? How much artists call my name last time? But I beg you to tell you pay me if you call me name. Or if you pay artists to call me name when the artists. One of the artists are giving me put the food on the table the same way. It two away one another. Artists are calling you and you dance back for artists. So eventually we are getting the artists already as I give you a run too. What you mean? If you don't understand dancing work, come out of this. Move on the COVID dancer, pussy wall. Guys, COVID then they keep some on with the bus. And true COVID can blood clot keep on when they on internet. Who that COVID blood clot dancer? Because suck when the man come like the vaccine if you dead.
Which part are you?
What do you fool? You come, the boy that on the talk but no wicked. The bad chin about your face tough like a Remington blood clot stain. You come talk about hungry there. I want to leave a blood clot with hungry. You don't know nothing about the business yet, China man. Dancehall come with blood clot controversy. You don't reach nowhere yet. I mean, you know, when you can boom there in your mouth, you boom no size. Yeah? Don't call boom boom name in your blood clot, man. You boom no size, you don't know it on the market. You don't know it on the market. Remember the people who ever say they batty out dancehall. Because you want better than every girl. You want better than every girl, and no real man now want better than every blood clot girl. And anybody who has a batty in my life, come over, wanna come suck on me all pussy. That's for them, move on the blood clot and go. What you feel like? You don't just come here and dance and you can go on like say, you don't know nobody. You don't know nobody.
More than me.
Move on the COVID dancer blood clot. When artists can't dance and you in a blood clot song, you don't have to respect it. And the artists them go respect back them dancer. Because I support the blood clot support. What you mean? If a big artist can't name in a blood clot song, you don't have to be glad. What you mean? We're telling you get how much choice. Come suck out Talib try like a beat with blood clot Joe's dirty China man. Yeah, yes, Talib sell fuck up for him when you want 300 grand. Move your blood. Which other blood clot artist can name in a star? Nobody now use you because they say you're a batty man. They say the batty out dancer China man. Nobody now use you. And Talib alone use you. Look if no other artist can name in a blood clot song. Nobody now use you China man because you want better than blood clot ladies. You're bright now, China man come talk about. I come talk about it, kill one of who. China man know what you know about way. Chinaman, me set this, you know. No pussy can give me no argument in the dance hall. Yeah? Me set this like a red carpet. I still stand firm like this pussy. And can't go down nowhere. Know what you say, know what you do, your body followers them. And every one of the boys that walk behind you, what on a lean brief? Cause suck on no mama. Bright no blood club.
One of them fit you.
Not that bun me. You boy over the line. You don't know we kill one of them. Chinaman, you know we. Chinaman, you know we. You don't know nothing about we either. You don't know nothing about we, Chinaman. Cause we no fuck boy have blood club. We no fuck boy with S in a chest. We fuck boy with G General. We no go blood clot scout settings. And different from that pussy, we can worry about ourselves. We are real bad girl.
Yeah.
Real bad girl chop out your face. No. That me I tell you pussy, you know it? Chop out your face right now, dear then and how. Your blood clot mix up friend that we want to walk with. Dirty shame about the whole of them. They talk or you this up tall up and see if I want me alone. If I want me alone, me bust out that long time, the whole of your friend them rub your go. Rub like a bag juice, blood clot, back class, what class you come. I can't tell about everything when they talk about them. I tell them serious. The one of them for shave on the one of them blood clot go down. I shave up ever beat the girl, you under feel nasty blood clot. The one of them class him, nippy, one of them class him. Class him, I say I am grateful. The whole of them. The whole of we say when they walk with the whole of blood clot them, all them friend them. And I rather send a 5 million them I can't tall up. And that me I tell you, when I shave up, my piece of beating for beat out all feel Chidi man, blood clot, you see too. Me had phone, you know. Me had phone because I want whole heap of Batman sensation. Upcoming Batman sensation. You know? And you shave up, you live in Batty boy, you know. Because remember you're the acting a jazz, you know. Man, I shift your brief, you know. Shave up, remember you have one uncle, a blood clot Batman, you know. And the little boy I want to ramp me Batty sensation. Who are Batty sensation crew? Ramp with me! Man, load up the 45 pounds today. Bumbo.
And so them two be right, man.
Ramp with me.
Like we and them on side the old.
When I want whole upcoming Batty sensation. Go suck on no mama. I want to ramp with me on this. And I load up the 45 pounds. Shave up me say uncle Batman, you know. And you don't stop acting a jazz, you know. Little boy, all on figure that say Instagram take on your blood clot page. Instagram take your Batty world. Want to ramp with me, see? And you want your friend them, and your friend them call the woman phone, and I tell the woman sorry for things that you say. I tell them I know you a long time. Tell them never see woman never say bust your chin, man. The woman say endorse, you just listen live and go like a girl and answer. The woman say you make you cry and what if you know say you calling him in a song. And you go for an interview and go like it that the woman say. And the woman say, why let me do a song with you, let me do a video. Video whatever. The woman not say bust. She man never bust. You go viral on the internet now. Listen, you go viral on the internet now a piece of underpants. And the viral you go, every blood clot boy batty you out. And I see woman them alone like your waistline I say. The boy can't want. Every man batty you out. You never go viral good. But I think you have to tap dance. You have to tap dance because they were batty you out. Nobody now book nobody ain't go book them and come wine up and down. Which part of your boss? And you go to Bama say to an artist. You have one few who stand on sound 3 body, yes. But you don't reach nowhere. You don't start getting a fight yet. If I say you come in a dance and look a fight, I look at the one. Pussy you go load up a boxing ring. Because this is a fight and funeral. It's a back blood clot field in a dance hall. Yeah? And your song the way you sing, I'm sorry for you. You don't get nothing here that woman saying boss your boss. You know boss your company that they don't want one dirty underpants much in time. Listen, tell a blood clot the video. And tell a buy your clothes. I mean that me do video for watch top blood clot artists. I'm if you buy my own clothes and find my own hairstyle. Them not response to you. Only thing the artists them do have to pay when you charge. You have to find a one. You have to find a one in your own clothes. Should a man move your blood clot? When tell up you naked like a pipe back of labor. You did naked like a blood clot river stone. Tell up might not have much, but tell up you some box food out by your table. You could have buy tin mackerel or something. Tell up now sell fuck, tell up no boss. Tell up no boss, you know? Not take no set pan tell up because for me no other top artists no could take no set pan blood clot them. And that me they tell you. You no could take no set pan blood clot them. Tell up about receive a box food out your mouth, play hungry box, white collar tears you. Go suck your mama the one of the hungry days be. When you know a boy you just come in this. You just come in a blood clot this, COVID dance and ramp with me. Fuck do you know. What do you know about dancing world? You don't know about dancing world. Nothing you know about dancing world. Cause someone on yam, someone on man on yam on weird show. Someone eat and cha. Someone eat and cha on weird show. Cause listen to my universe. Cause nobody could book you for and put up on one flyer and say they will promote you. You think no man gonna come and watch the boy wine of them blood clot waist? And you know girl, where you go?